The laziest way to make money with AI right now doesn't need any coding, doesn't need you to be some tech genius, and doesn't even need you to be an expert in anything. Yes, you heard that right. I'm going to show you exactly what it is and why people who are actually willing to do less work are making more money right now. My name's Fred, I run an AI-powered online course business, and it's hands down the most profitable, least exhausting thing I've ever built. AI handles the boring parts of my business for me, which means more leads, more calls, and more sales. If you want to see exactly how I do that, check out the free course in the description below, or you can directly apply to book a free one-to-one call with me, and I'll give you a step-by-step roadmap so you can start making money with AI and digital products. Okay, so let's get one thing straight. When I say a lazy way to make money with AI, I don't mean you do nothing. I mean you stop doing the things that don't actually matter, the busy work, and you let AI do that instead, so you can focus only on the one thing that makes you the most money. Most people think making money online means grinding 16 hours a day, learning to code, editing videos for hours, designing thumbnails in Photoshop. That's the old way. That's the hard way. And back then that was the only option. But honestly, that was why most people quit before they even got started. The laziest way to make money with AI is selling a digital product, but not just any kind of digital product, specifically an online course. You're not shipping anything, you're not holding inventory, you're not driving anywhere. You build it once, digitally, and you sell it over and over again. That's about as lazy as a real business can get, and it's also the most profitable business that's ever existed. Now, here's what you're probably thinking right now. Fred, I don't have anything to teach. I'm not an expert in anything. And look, that used to be a problem. 5 years ago, sure, you needed actual expertise to put together a course people would pay for. But that excuse is dead now, completely dead. Thanks to AI, you can pick any topic, even one you knew nothing about last week, and use AI to pull real, accurate information straight from the internet. You ask it the right questions, you organize what it gives you, and now you've got the bones of a course. You don't need a degree. You don't need 10 years of experience. You need AI doing the research and you doing the packaging. I know a guy who makes over 20 grand a month teaching people how to get better at a video game. What's your excuse? Think about it like this. AI already has access to more information than any single human expert could ever hold in their head. So why would you try to compete with that by becoming the expert yourself, which you won't become anyway when you actually learn that stuff every day with AI, but you could just direct the AI to pull exactly what people need to know and hand it to them in a clear, simple course. Let me show you just how little manual work is actually involved here, because this is where people's minds get blown. Scripting your videos, AI does that. You give it your topic, you create your own style, and it writes something that sounds like you in minutes instead of the hours it used to take. I literally burnt out when I had another YouTube channel many years in the past because I had to do everything myself. With AI, that's gone. The thumbnails, AI does that too, and better than you would yourself. No more sitting in Photoshop for 30 minutes trying to make something that doesn't look absolutely disgusting. You type a prompt, you tell it exactly what you want, and it spits out a scroll-stopping thumbnail in under a minute. Now, editing your videos, AI can do that. It cuts your pauses, your ums, your dead air automatically in the background while you go do literally anything else with your time. So when you stack that all together, scripting, thumbnails, editing, plus AI helping you build the actual course content, what's left for you to do? Honestly, not much. You're basically directing traffic while AI builds the entire machine underneath you. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. And here's the part that makes this even lazier in the best way possible. You don't even need to be on camera if you don't want to. Back then, that was the only option. If you're comfortable with it, sure, build a personal brand like I'm doing, record yourself talking exactly like me in this video. That works great and builds trust fast. But if showing your face sounds exhausting or just isn't for you, and I mean, let's face it, you have to learn that skill, you can use an AI avatar or even just an AI voice because they're much cheaper than a full visual avatar. You can use a tool like 11 Labs to give you fast, realistic voice generation in seconds. Or if you want a free option and you've got a decent computer, Qwen 3 TTS is open source, completely free. Just know it needs real processing power or it's going to crash your computer. Either way, you never have to feel like you're stuck because you don't want to be the face of your business. AI removes that excuse too. Now, here's where a lot of people overcomplicate things. They think they need a huge funnel, a fancy website, a sales team. You don't. The laziest, most effective way to sell a high-ticket course is to give value first for free. So for example, what I do is I run a free course on School where I teach people how to make money online with AI, and I'm telling you, that platform alone gives you extra leads for free, up to 50% more compared to other platforms. That's not some tiny bump. We're not talking about an extra 2%, up to 50% more leads. That's a massive head start, and you didn't have to do anything extra to get it. Just by being on the right platform, it happens. People go through the free course. They see you actually give real, good, valuable information. You know what you're talking about. And naturally, a small percentage of those people want more. They want personal help, faster results, real guidance. So they book a call, and some of those people become high-ticket customers, paying you between $1,000 all the way to $10,000 plus. You're not chasing customers every single day. You're not cold messaging complete strangers. The free value does the selling for you. It's a game changer, I'm telling you. So let's bring this all together. That way you know exactly what to do. The laziest way to make money with AI is selling a digital product, specifically an online course, because you build it once and sell it forever. It's extremely high in profit, between 80 up to 95%. You don't need to be an expert because AI pulls the knowledge for you and your only job is putting it together. You let AI handle your scripts, your thumbnails, your editing, so you're not wasting hours on busy work, and you can use it to post more content, get more leads, make more money. Then you choose your path. Either you go for a personal brand, or you can use an AI avatar or a voice. Whatever feels right for you, they both work. And then you give people some value through a free course, so people trust you before they even book a call with you. This isn't about working harder than everyone else. It's about being smart enough to let AI carry the weight you used to carry alone, or with a massive expensive team. The tools are already out there, ready for you to use. The only thing left is deciding if you're actually going to use them. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.